trying to download a bunch of file, a high size file on your Google Drive, and you haven't been able to download them even after you have wait for them to get zipped up, all of them. I've tried it and it hasn't been working for me so far for Safari. And what you can do is that you can share this folder. You can share this folder with the cat link, and then you guys can just paste it paste it on your Chrome. Then you can just download it. For me, it has worked. You can see that it's downloading right now, but for some reason you cannot download it when you're using Safari, so you have to use Google Chrome to download this size of file from Google Drive. So that is how you're able to fix it.